What is up, you guys? We're on our way to my brother's house. We're going to change his change his brake caliber and wash my truck. Got my pressure washer, got my foam cannon, and let's go. We had probably a little bit of bounce in there. Apologize for that. Alright, we're coming back into town. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better. Sorry the camera's kind of shaky. I don't know if I'll be able to use this footage or not. I'm using a suction cup on my windshield, which may not be the best option. We'll see how it works out. And I can already tell you that it's not going to be easy. Alright. Alright, so now that we're back, now that we're coming into town, and the camera's not bouncing all over the place from my windshield suction cup mount. The reason we're going to my brother's house, number one, my lawnmower died, and gonna have to pick up his to cut my grass. We'll get that done sometime tomorrow. Oh, watch out. Number two, he needs help with his brake caliber. It locked up on his truck, and for some reason he drove it all the way home. And number three, we're gonna wash my truck and his. Alright, so we just pulled up at my brother's house. And we're going to see if we can change his brake caliber. There's Dustin. Alright. Okay. There's his truck. You can see that a little bit better. Alright, and here's what's wrong with it. Brake caliber locked up. So we're going to try and get that changed. So come to find out, they didn't have the brake caliber in stock. So we are going to wash the truck. And my other brother just showed up. So after we get done washing the truck, we're going to try and load the lawnmower on back up.
So I write this open letter. When I left, the world was broken, I just hope it's gotten better. Y'all argue who's the greatest, I left quotes for y'all to measure. Y'all were focused on who's clever, I was focused on forever. Back when I would rock the hand-me-downs with holes inside my sweater. Thrift store shopping like I dove inside some treasure. Way before the Ben Haggerty's on these magazines, I was an average teen, not thinking about this thing called rap. Cause there's this thing called white, and there's this thing called black, and there's this thing called life, and I think we're all attached. It's funny how my train of thought runs on these things called tracks. Marty McFly, I'm in the future, try and bring y'all back. Pick it up and slam it down, that's just how the game goes. Telephone, telephone, I just hear the same tones. Where I'm from, it's not too often that we see them rainbows. So we let the rain flow, then we change.
Alright, so 2 hours later, look at the way this thing shines. Oh man. Just look at it. Beautiful. Got to put the tire shine on and then we'll get it going. Plans for this thing. I got a Dana 44 narrow track that I think I'm a solid axle swap. You know, make it 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive now. Yeah, I know. Boggers on 2-wheel drive. But hey, let me know what you think. If you like it. It's just hard not to look at it. But if you like it, then let me know. You know, you'll definitely be posting a lot of videos about that. So let me know what you think. What's up, guys? It is the next day. We got the lawnmower loaded up. I forgot to record it, but see right here, we got it on there, and let me tell you, that was something right there. But you guys will get to see me take it off by myself, so we'll see how that goes. But you know what they say, if it fits, it ships, and we were not sure if it was going to fit. I mean, it is like right there on the edge. Well, there you have it. That was rough right there. Not what I was expecting to happen at all. Sure, everything's all right. Looks all right. Dang, whew. Not what I was expecting. Oh man. And yesterday my brother ran over a nail. Just my luck, right? But we'll get the grass cut, and that's going to do it for this one. The first one, if you're new, which all of you will be sure to like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever everybody else does. But if you're interested in seeing more of the truck, let me know in the comment section. That'll do it.
Oh man, how could this just be a hobby? 5 whole hours they've been waiting in the lobby. be. They calling me a hero and I'm thinking how could I be? All I wanted was $1 million and a two-door Maserati. But somewhere in my stride we just started changing lives. You think I'm changing yours, but you really changing mine. From here to overseas they put belief in my designs. It's getting deep, I feel the world is trying to sneak inside my mind. It's harder to define than artistry and rhyme. It seems like our journey is partially divine. I still have days where it isn't all sublime. Even though I'm on the grind, I gotta slow up for the sign.